Hey everybody, this is Coach Badgeley. By this point, you've already set up your Sophia account if you're watching this video. So we're kind of ready to go and kind of explore a little bit into what we're going to do this year in the Algebra 2 class. Just kind of see exactly what I expect and things like that with Sophia and just the videos. First thing I want to talk to you about is just kind of what you're seeing now. By now you've set up your account, you're looking at the video, and you're kind of going through and seeing exactly what a video might look like as we go into our lessons. This video is going to be pretty short. We'll try to keep it short and simple at the very beginning, but as we go through, I told you before, we're looking at maybe 10 to 12 minute lessons at the most, and really try to make them specific to get you guys in and out as fast as possible, so we're not taking too much time, but they're still going to have enough information to where you're learning the information and doing a good job at kind of studying and taking notes. First thing you'll notice is after you take this video, you'll look down and there's a thing called a WSQ, which is your watch, summarize, and question. It's going to give you the options to go through, watch the video, summarize what you saw with a few questions, and then I'll have a little box to give you an opportunity to go through and ask questions if there was something that you didn't quite understand. Kind of what I'm expecting through these videos is I want to go through and make sure that you guys watch every single video, just out of respect for me and just for the class and what's expected of you guys. I hope that you guys watch every single video and you take the time to really look at them and study and see what the material is, because we're not going to spend a whole lot of time teaching it while we're in the classroom. The next thing I want you to do while you're watching the video is make sure you're attempting all the practice problems. If this means that you need to pause the video, then go through and pause it, go through, attempt it, and then watch me do it. Or you can go through, watch me do a couple, and then go through and write them down and take notes and make sure you're seeing it step by step kind of what you should do. As far as notes, there's going to be some where there's not going to be a whole lot of problems for you to go through and attempt, but it would be good to take notes on maybe specific vocabulary or certain things that you guys might need or you might see on tests. And the last thing is, I'm hoping you guys are able to take ownership for your education through these videos, and it gives you the ability to kind of see how important it is as you guys move on to the next level into college, to where you're going to have to take ownership of what you're doing and really look at how much you put into each class and how that affects what you get out of it. With these things, I believe that the benefits that you're going to see how accessible these lessons are to you. You can watch them at your own pace. You can pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever you need to do. You can watch it multiple times, and you can kind of do it at your own pace wherever you want. They're all going to be on the Sophia website as well as YouTube. So anywhere you can access YouTube, whether it's on your phone or at home on the internet, you're going to be able to see these lessons and really work at studying them anytime you want. It may be something where you need to rewatch them later on before a test. You can come back and scan through a video and look at what would really work for you guys. This will give us more time to practice the actual application of the topics in class. A lot more one-on-one time, to where I can spend time specifically with you and really work on things that you might be struggling with. That way when you get to a testing situation and you're having to apply it to whatever you're doing, it's a lot easier for you to have a better understanding, because it's been a little bit more personalized towards what you want to do. So those are some of the things for the benefits. Also, and probably the biggest benefit that I think all you guys will enjoy the most is this will give me the benefit of hopefully never having to assign homework assignments to you guys outside of class. No textbooks to carry home. Everything's going to be all online right here, to where you guys can just take it with you wherever, and it'll be accessible in the class as well through our computer stations. So let's go through this quick PowerPoint. This kind of give us a quick second, and I'll get you guys out of here in a minute. This will kind of show us exactly what a PowerPoint might look like as we go through with an example. So you can see a little intro page here, and as you go through, you guys can see I can take this and write little notes for you and kind of see where we are. Let me see, I'm making a mistake already for you. Here we go. So what we're calling this is called a flipped classroom. So to me, flipping the classroom and hopefully my handwriting gets a lot better for you guys through the year here. Flipping the classroom is a new way for me as a teacher to tailor my teaching towards you. Hopefully you guys can still get some of my personality through the videos, and we'll make them a little more exciting and fun for you as we go through. It's also going to allow me to teach you outside the class and bring all the work into the class, which makes it possible for me to tell you no homework. We don't want to have any textbooks going home. I hated it. I hated carrying them in college. They're heavy. They're not too much you can do with them besides just stare at them and write stuff out. We want to take that out and bring it all into the classroom to where I'm with you, and when you guys leave school you can enjoy just being outside of school. So that's kind of the hope there. As long as we're getting benefits out of it, that's what we're going to keep doing. Here's what a quick example might be. We did some of these yesterday working with solving for a variable. You guys will see practice problems, and at this point this is when I would want you guys to actually write things down, take notes, practice the problems, and kind of see where you stand as you're understanding through here. So like we said, the first thing we wanted to do today when we saw one of these problems is we want to find our distribution. So we're going to go through and we're going to multiply our 6 into both of these. The other side doesn't have anything combining, so we're just going to drop it down. It's going to be on its own. Okay, now our next step is we want to combine like terms. We have 2 of them right here. So what we're going to do is put these together. Okay, after that you want to combine and isolate your variable. So that means we need to get this 6v over here to the 36, subtracting it on both sides, and that'll give us our 30v. And at the same time we want to isolate it and get that 31 over to the other side of the equal sign. We're going to subtract 30 on both sides, or subtract 31 on both sides, which will give us a negative 30. At that point we're ready to solve for our variable, get this by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 30, and that's going to give us our negative 1. Okay, so this is a quick example of what you guys might see. I hope you guys are able to enjoy these videos, and it's something that really benefits you over the school year. Remember what I said, just always be open to tell me what might need to be fixed, and I can go through, correct things, or try to make them a little bit better and more enjoyable for you guys as the time goes on. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you fill out your WSQ after this is all finished, and we'll move on to the next assignment and next activity when you guys are all finished. Appreciate it.